He is Dr. Khalid Mahmood. Hello, Assalamu alaikum, good morning.
Walaikum assalam, thank you so much.
How are you?
I'm so great. Money is not important, money is secondary thing, money this, money that, but I tell you.
Anyway, if you're talking about relationships today.
As we say that the people mostly die in their 30s, buried in 70s. You will see around people who are dead.
Oh, yes.
Yeah. We're very lucky that we've actually been joined by somebody who, whenever he's on the show, ladies and gentlemen, we learn something amazing. Whenever I, kind of stalk him on his Facebook or social media pages, because the kind of work he does, he inspires a lot of millions of other people out there as well. So I think that today was the right day to have him. He is Dr. Khalid Mahmood. Hello, assalamu alaikum, good morning.
Walaikum assalam, thank you so much.
How are you?
I'm so great.
Thank you very much for joining us. It's wonderful to have you. First things first, how rich are you?
We need numbers.
Yeah, I'm a mentally rich man.
This is a very commonly asked question.
Yes.
Is money important to have a good relationship, have a good life?
And is it a yes or no question?
It is yes.
Okay, that was
Yes,
easy.
money
Okay.
is important. Why is it important?
Elaborate, please.
I tell you, the understanding about the money, it is first of all you need to learn.
Okay.
Saying that money is not important, money is secondary thing, money this, money that, but I tell you, you pick any relationship in the world,
Okay.
not in your country, in any of the country, depending on the level in which you both are, or your family, or your couple, or whatever you call it, their financial structure in which they fit in, the importance of finance would be equal to that.
Okay.
And if it is less than that, you will have issues, you will have problems.
Okay.
Ultimately, you are going to land in the trouble. So you have to make it very clear that financial position matters in your relationships, and keeping in view your circle of influence in which you live. If you just bring down by saying this, that money is not important, ultimately your relationship is going to go.
Yeah.
But what if both the people in the relationship have that sort of mentality that, you know what, like we just need enough to make our days count, like to survive, but it's not a factor that will keep us moving forward?
Yeah.
It will not. It will not. I tell you, you want to move from paycheck to paycheck, you want to move from bill to bill, you want to, every day, every morning, every evening, you are into the problem of the clothes, the bills, the pays. You are going to get into trouble. There is no other question now.
Yeah.
But that's
is so
because
simple.
commercialism as well. I mean, we are literally engulfed by commercialism and consumerism for that matter.
Yeah.
But consumerism can be a personal choice, like we can avoid it. But commercialism is something we cannot avoid. We are literally living in a bubble of commercialism. And I think that is why money seems important.
People, it's not about the zeros you have in your account, it's the way you're going to use that tool which is there to spend life. What's your take on this?
So beautifully already explained everything. You just want me to say something. But let me add.
Yeah.
Yes, please.
The important thing is the relationship between the money. The relationship with the money you have.
Yeah.
Okay. You want to use something which gives you freedom. You want to use something which gives you happiness. You want to use something which brings you the things.
Yeah.
You want to do something that gives you choices. And you don't have a good relationship with that money. And so, no, money is not a good thing.
Yeah.
Money is a bad thing. Money is not needed. Money this, money that. How can you enjoy that relationship with that?
Yeah.
If you don't have that relationship with the money in a right direction, be sure, as I said, that I am a mentally rich man.
Yeah.
I tell you one thing. A person who is mentally poor can never be physically rich.
Yeah, that's true,
Absolutely,
that's true.
100%.
A person who is
जिसकी सोच गरीब हो वो कभी अमीर नहीं हो सकता.
the person who is mentally rich, you take away all his money,
He'll be.
make him stand on the road, he'll bring again money.
That's true.
Definitely.
So that is the relationship with the money you need to have.
Exactly.
But Dr. Khalid, sorry Shahzad, I know you have a lot to
Yeah,
ask, but
go ahead.
But here's the thing, I want you to elaborate on money in different relationships. For example, money in a spouse relationship, or money in a siblings or a parent-daughter relation, or something like that. If it matters or not, or if it matters equally in all
Matters
relationships.
everywhere.
I tell you, it matters everywhere.
Okay.
I don't know, with the passage of time, having gone through so much motivational stuff and all that, I've come to a conclusion somewhere.
Okay.
Look, if your mother is sick,
Yeah.
she needs money.
Of course.
If she needs to go to hospital, she needs something to wear, she needs so many things.
Yes.
You say, Mom, I love you so much, but I don't have money.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Your brother needs money, he has some problem come up, he has talked to you. You say, brother, I love you so much, but I don't have money.
Yeah.
He'll be like, I don't need your love.
So how long you can go along with that?
True.
Exactly, and
I
not just
tell you.
that. Not just that. Even Allah does not love misers. You know,
This
that's
is
a
how it
problem,
is.
and this has been
That thing
stated
goes
so many
wrong.
times.
That the fundamental concept, when you put the things wrong,
Yeah.
you go wrong the wrong way.
Yeah.
Once at the start you said money is not important.
Yes.
Here you're gone wrong. So simple.
Yeah.
Money is important. That's it. You take in that way, this way, that blah blah blah. Ultimately, you know, as beautifully you said, who anybody who's talking money is not important. He has the money in the pocket.
Absolutely, that is so true. And
Right.
today, ladies,
If I have come here, people would listen me if I have a good dress.
Exactly.
Absolutely.
People would listen me. I talk sense. People would listen me. There are a lot of things that matter.
Yep.
that is so true.
It's not a
And
relationship.
today
It's a
we are
money topic
dropping
now.
truth bombs on the show. We're literally, you know, all of us are
Yeah.
we're talking about things that people hate listening to.
Yeah.
This is
but
what it is. This is what
actually
I
the
do, by
truth
the
of
way. I talk
society. It's
whatever
your job
it is. That is my
to
job.
talk about things that people
This is
hate.
how it is.
And it's like you're spending your mental dollars, man, and we need it.
This is
And-
how it is.
But now there's.
I tell you, I'm sorry to say,
Yeah, sure.
if I didn't have the money, I would have not been sitting here. I would have not even learned whatever I have.
Which is what I was about to talk
so
about. Now,
simple.
here's the thing, sir.
that
and
all of
adding
these
to
smaller
that,
problems will make you lead to a bigger problem, and then there will be a day where you will be dysfunctional.
and adding to that, just listening to him makes me feel like in our society, this will only be about the man. Like all this sort of criticism will come to the man, which is not healthy for him, right?
Yeah, yeah.
This is such a long topic that comes to the society and the culture and everything.
You're the maestro.
But he's not asking questions.
He's just-
elaborating
he's just
so
delivering
much.
a motivational lecture.
He's
Sorry, I'm
already
sorry.
talking. But I just tell you,
Yeah.
if in a relationship you just compare two people, as you said that if you're unable to provide them, you're unable to pay your bills, you are ultimately 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, you will have in a loving relationship, but ultimately you will have issues.
Exactly.
You know,
Okay.
so thing would always come to the mindset. Now, why I am saying so because I confront people. People come to me in a relationship issues. People come to me in their personal issues, and I am the person who see them daily basis. I have seen so many people committing suicide
Yeah.
in front of me.
Because of
I have lost them. I've seen.
Oh,
just
God.
because of these relationship issues, people don't understand how important this thing is. You
Absolutely.
money and relationship. I'm separating them also, but I'm bringing them together also. That a life, your life, my life, everyone's life. Ultimately, if you are super rich, filthy rich, whatever you have achieved, why you want to achieve that? To create a relationship.
Yeah.
True.
May it be a girlfriend, boyfriend,
Eventually,
may
yes.
it be a just relationship, may it be a friendship, may it be a husband, wife, whatever.
Anything.
Because I talk internationally, so I don't
Yes, of course.
keep a difference. It's
And
there.
we have an international audience. Yes.
You see, that is why I say that whatever type of a relationship, if you want to achieve something in your career, ultimately for what?
Yeah.
I want to have a relationship.
Happiness.
Happiness, and happiness is actually through the relationship.
Yes,
Exactly.
वो क्या कहते हैं कि जंगल में मोर नाचा किसने देखा? You want to show to someone, यार.
Oh, now it
your
makes sense.
success.
nature.
You want to share
That's
something.
human nature.
You know, you want to do something. If because of that concept that fundamentally you have got some wrong concept, so you are going to lead somewhere. So where it leads to somewhere, you know, a dead man.
Exactly.
As we say that the people mostly die in their 30s, buried in 70s. You
What
will
does
see
that mean?
around people who are dead.
Oh, yes.
that's-
Lost
Most
souls,
of the
sort
people who are dead in 30s and they are buried in 70s.
Yeah.
Rest of the 30, 40 years they have just.
Exactly. And that's very wonderfully said as well. But I think that, I know, Shiza, that you have a question as
I
well.
have since long.
Yes, but there's one last thing which I would love to ask, and that is, I think everybody needs to know this. And because what happens is, God forbid, if, you know, just because of these financial issues, your normal life is disturbed, and a lot of things are disrupted as well. What happens is that you start to think that why somebody's ahead from me, what is that which I am missing on? And since you are a mirror to so many people and to their personalities, what would you say that why would some people make so big in life, and why wouldn't people more talented than them would make it big in life?
I tell you, I would like to conclude all the discussions
Yes,
in
please.
few sentences.
But we still have a little bit more time.
Just in that, so that because we have been going right left
Yeah.
in the topic. The topic is importance of money, financial status in your relationship. So first of all, we have to understand that the importance of relationship itself, how much we invest in our relationship. You are investing in your career, you are investing in your earning money, you are investing in so many things, but somewhere down the line, we do not invest in our relationship itself, for which we are actually going for the money.
So how do we do
So
that?
first of all, you have to give the importance to the relationship, because this is the main thing.
Okay.
This is the main pillar on which we are standing.
Wonderful.
Money can be taken from anywhere, money can be earned, money can be, you can be in a business, you can be in a career, you can get paid, whatever. But the relationship is first thing for which you need a money. You don't need relationship for the money.
Okay.
Of course.
Wonderful.
So that importance first you
Got
have to
it.
understand. So your priority should be your relationship, and you should learn relationship.
And then money
This
can be
is
cherry
my
on top.
question. That is my actual point of view. You learn, because we say it is just simple, it is just automatic. It doesn't go automatic. You have to
Right.
learn how to be in a relationship and how to take care of each other. And then you have to learn how to earn money, how to save money, how to invest money, how to spend money, and you have to be financially literate.
Absolutely.
Only then you will keep balance in both of the things.
That is true.
And
And you know what, since we are left with 5-ish minutes still, I want you to elaborate on where you said that you have to actually focus on building a relationship and strengthening it. Sorry. So let us know where are some of the elements that can actually help in strengthening relationships. And I also feel like where you said that money can definitely aid, building better relationships. We're in a system where that is the truth. Unfortunately so, but yes. At this point, even I'm going to agree, because we're in a system, Shahzad. So for example, if let's just say, if you were to make your wife happy, the first thing, if it's a birthday or anniversary, the first thing that comes to your mind is, oh, maybe I'll buy her a jewelry. And then she'll enjoy that because she can show it to her friends. Shahzad gave me this, Shahzad gave. So it all comes around money. If he has the money to do that, he'll do it and probably make all the relationships right. It is the truth, but I don't like this truth, to be honest, is what I'm saying. But it is the truth. And now you let us know the
Give
elements.
me 2 minutes to
Yeah.
speak about that.
Take 5.
Okay, that's great. That's great. First, understand that one thing I want to bring in this notice in this program today,
Yeah.
that you will learn lots of ways and means to have a good relationship.
Okay.
People would be, even motivational speakers and relationship coaches and books would be telling you, you should be so kind to your relationship, you should be listening. And sometimes you come to know the person you are doing that doesn't deserve that. Nobody tells you that thing.
Yeah.
This is the hard thing I'm going to talk. You keep giving, you keep giving, you keep giving, and the person who is receiving, he doesn't or she doesn't understand that.
Right.
So you are today, tomorrow, 10 years, 15 years, down the line, 30 years, you are going to die
True.
inside, because you are investing on a wrong person. So first of all, learn that for whom you are doing everything. If your initial years of your relationship, you understand that relationship has been made to make you happy. Relationship has
Yes.
been made to progress. Relationship is made to keep you in peace. If in a very initial stage you have got fights going on, you have got difference of so much opinion that you can't even talk. So you have to relook on your relationship. You don't need to drag a relationship, and you keep dragging, so keep dragging.
Yeah.
Right.
One thing. So first thing, understand to whom you are giving, does she or he deserves that what you are giving?
It's very important.
Second thing, if I give you a standard set, that how in a very short time, that how you can make a relationship,
Yeah.
and I know that the person who I have chosen, that is the right person for me. We have gone through that step. So the first thing is listen the other person. Everybody wants to be listened, I tell you.
Listening is very important.
Every person out of all of us, if you ask from the president of the America or our president, after an interview, you people, he would first thing would ask you, have I been listened? Have I been understood properly?
yeah.
Anybody, you
Right.
just see. So in the relationship, if you listen to your partner, your first thing is gone. It's awesome, great. Second thing, you have to respect their opinion and their beliefs and their thinking. You don't fall in love with somebody's beauty or somebody's money, or you fall in love with the thoughts.
Yeah.
You fall in love with the habits. You fall in love with the thinking.
Or the way they call out your name.
You know, this is everything.
Right.
So you fall in love in those things. If you understand this concept, I tell you, your relationship would be awesome. And then the money. Money is important. There is no other doubt about it. But you don't have to put money over your relationship.
Yes. Thank you very much.
The most important thing you said at the last, huh? You're very smart in that way. But Dr. Saab, thank you so much for being here. We already mentioned it's always really informative, and you're so insightful. So we always
It has
having a
been
great
amazing.
time. Great time. But one thing you said also makes me really happy, because I believe that too, where you said that a relationship should actually be the source of happiness in your life. I mean, you should actually invest in a relationship if it's bringing you happiness, because all other things in your life will eventually bring you some sort of, you know, they'll take you down. But that should be your happy and safe place. I mean, wherever you think that this is where I need to go to relax.
Yep.
So, well, I hope you find, all of you who's watching the show right now actually find someone like that. It can be your parents, it can be your siblings for that matter, friends, your spouse, I mean, anyone. I really hope you guys find that. It's beautiful.
Exactly. So, ladies and gentlemen, please make sure to write to us on our Facebook fan page, which is with the name of
World This Morning.
On Twitter.
World This Morning with Audi G.
On Dailymotion and YouTube.
It's PTV World, where you look for World This Morning.
And the fabulous repeat's going to be at
5 past midnight.
Till the next time, 1, 2, 3. Good morning.
Stay safe.